guys, we are here always on the Audi stand here at Brussels Motor Show. We have here the all new Audi RS4 event, which is the brake version of the RS4. So we will have a quick look at the outside and inside and try to make you feel and smell of the all new car. So let's start with the front grille. We have this new single frame of Audi, which is a little bit narrower and brighter, which gives just a more aggressive look at the car. It's really nice. So I have this nice Quattro letters here beneath this single frame. We have also front lights, LED front lights, full LEDs, which just give a really aggressive look, especially in its black shape. We also have a lot of carbon parts on the front bumper. It just adds some more aggressivity to the car. It's really incredible. This front bumper is so well done and designed. It just makes the car wanna eat you. So we have a quick look at the body. You can see it's really wide on the front and at the back. It's really wide. We also have those nice 20-inch wheels, really cool design, which is making it more aggressive. Really nice. We have here, just on the side skirt, we have also some nice carbon inserts, which makes just the car look insane, especially in this color red. So here at the back we have some really huge bumper, which is we can recognize it's an RS. We have that huge exhaust tip on each side, all in carbon made, and a little diffuser, just making it really look aggressive, really nice. We have also the full LED tail lights, really nice. Let's have a look at the interior. So here we are inside the RS4. You feel you are in an RS. You see it, you can touch it. You have some really nice sport seats with nice stitching. It's really well made. You feel it. It's really great. You have also some nice carbon parts on the dashboard, on door panels. Also here in the central unit here. It's really nice. Steering wheel is also pretty small, really nice. It fits really good in your hand, and you just want to have fun with it. Just go for a drive. It looks really like you're playing here. The dashboard, it's all metal screen. You can display everything you want, navigation, speedometer, etc. It's up to you to choose. We also have a pretty nice screen here. It's not touch screen. You can just control it with this command here and choose everything you want. Climate control is over here. It's really nice. You have that new kind of design with Audi, making it really pure. Not a lot of buttons, just go to the essential: climate, infotainment, control here, and you have that nice shift knob here, which is pretty cool. It falls really good in hand here. When you put your arm here, you can grab it easily and play with it like you are in a sports car. It's really nice. And even though it's an RS4, you still feel you are still in a family car. You can take your friends or your family for a ride, and it's really nice. We also have here the head display over here, but we don't have the key, so we can't activate it. And there's also a nice, really nice Bang & Olufsen audio system, but don't know why I can't put music on it. Although I would like to, but we don't have the key, so we can't discover it a bit more from the interior. But we will try to have it for our test drive and review it fully again. Thanks for watching this RS4 review. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see a lot of new reviews, so stay tuned.